I'm proud of you, and the floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Well, as an MPD, I can start by saying I cannot do it without the staff of Al Musa, and specifically, I would like to dedicate this session to the nursing department and all of you nurses. Yeah. And what makes me humbled and privileged and so happy to present this, because I will be presenting what our great Al Musa nurses do every single day. And I will try to summarize what we have done and what we do. As an MPD, for those who know what MPDs do, we wear so many hats. Our boots are on the ground with all the nurses, and we do so many things. And we have one aim, as Dr. Maureen mentioned, it's all about excellence. It's all about planting the seeds of excellence and growing it and making a difference every single day in the lives of our patients. Well, how did we do it at Al Musa? To give you a perspective of the magnet journey at Al Musa, well, it started since the hospital was developed in 1996, because the mission and the vision always aim to provide excellence for our patients. And as, again, I will quote Maureen, it's not about getting the magnet, it's about providing excellence regardless of magnet and all other accreditations. We applied our documents in application in October 2021 and submitted our documents, the first private hospital in the kingdom to submit their magnet documents in October 2022. And we are just 10 days away, and we are counting the days to receive the reviews of our magnet documents. So just to take a tour from the eyes of our magnet journey at Al Musa, transformational leaders. We do have transformational leaders in our hospital, whether in the hospital or the nursing department. And when we say we have great leaders who create great structures, whether in the foundations from our mission, our nurse leaders. We have strong mission that supports the resources for all our nursing staff. We are so proud to say that we have 88% of our nurses who are bachelor's degree, and we maintain their development to strong foundations like the transition to practice program, the performance appraisal, and of course, having the strong research structure. So when we have great leaders like we do in Al Musa, we definitely have empowered nurses who work through the strong foundations and they continuously develop. We are so proud of our 9 shared governance councils, and we have 276 nurses who make around 45% of our nurses actively engaged in those councils, who are engaged in professional organizations, and who face all the challenges of being an international nurses and maintain their certifications. We are so proud of our transition to practice nurses, and as you can see the number, it's a huge number, but we highly believe in the education and that this is how we create our empowered nurses. And we cannot forget our commitment to the community, because we believe excellence goes beyond the walls of our hospitals. It goes to the community, and something we are so proud of. Again, you might ask, how do you do it in Al Musa? We have the great leaders with great structures create the great nurses. And it's not only about the nurses, it's about all the departments, all the staff, the interprofessional team. When we collaborate together to get and provide the exemplary care for our nurses. Yes, there are so many requirements for magnet, and sometimes we do believe they are so strict and tough and cause a lot of stress, but we do it with pleasure, and we are so proud when we sustain and attain those outcomes. We do sustain them, and our aim is not only to sustain, but to make it scalable across all units and across not only the nursing department, but all the departments. Yes, the 3 big data, we managed to outperform it, the RN survey, sensitive indicators, and the patient outcomes. But what makes it more rewarding is day-to-day excellence that we provide to our patients, again through collaboration, like our PI projects, the CLAPSI, the CAUTI, how we collaborate with all the departments. And we like to brag, and this is something we say to ourselves, let's brag that we are privileged to bring the technology and the innovation to our practice. And we are able to have and elevate this quality care that we are providing to our patients and the community. And as some of you and our speakers have seen it, you are all welcomed. We are having tours to our hospital. You are free to sign into those tours and see the great technologies and innovations we have brought to our practice. Innovation is something very important. Research, evidence-based, and technology, they come hand in hand. And we are so proud, as mentioned before, our nurses are highly engaged in doing nursing studies. They are engaged in publishing and disseminating those studies nationally and globally. And we cannot be more prouder. And we are able to do it. And I would like also to thank the academic affairs. They are true partners with us, especially when it comes to the nursing research. Now, at the end of the day, just to give you a summary of how we do it at Al Musa, yes, we do it to provide excellent patient care, and we have been able to continuously improve our patient outcomes, our patient experience, decrease mortality, falls, all our indicators. We are glad to say that our empowered nurses continue to improve their knowledge and skills, their autonomy. We are so proud to know that all our nursing units have outperformed in the category of autonomy in the RN survey, and this is something that we are so proud of. And of course, for the organization, Magnet is not only for patients and excellence, it is for our nurses, our staff, and also our organization. And to sum up how we do it at Al Musa, we do it through collaboration, innovation, and how we manage to cultivate everything in our daily practices. As our motto says, collaborate, innovate, cultivate. Thank you so much.